For this video, I'm trying to answer a question I received this morning from a client on how to use this planner to capture thoughts and meetings and shopping lists and have this all connected. So if you're using the navigator, you already know that this planner has a lot of sections inside, a lot of goodies that you can use on a daily, weekly and monthly basis. So it can be a bit daunting at first until you understand the system, until you understand how the pages are connected. So in order to go and show you exactly how it is, let's go straight forward to the weekly page, weekly planning page. This is actually where I start. Let's go to this week. It's week 8. From this week you can go to a daily planning page. Let me just show you. I'm going to editing mode. If you click this, you can go to the daily planning page. If you click this, you will go to the daily journaling page, and if you click this icon, you will go to the daily meeting page. Now, while you are on this page, the weekly view page, you can also visit these icons here and track your shopping list for this week. So the shopping lists are mainly designed for 1 week, not for the day. And then you can have a meal plan for the week. And then these sections here are generally for monthly things like monthly fitness tracker, monthly habits tracker, monthly money or monthly birthdays. So if you are looking for the weekly thing, these are here, the meal plan and the shopping list. Okay, now let's go first to the daily page, daily planning page. So you need, let's go to the viewing mode, click on Mondays, or let's click on, what day is today? No, let's click on Monday 17, and you will be directed to this custom designed daily planning page. Now you can track your to-dos here, your projects, your reminders, your schedule, your appointments, whatever you want. Now from this page you can go once more, so not just from the weekly page, you can also do this from the daily page. You can go to the journaling page, and also you can go to the meetings page. So if you write down your meetings here on this page and then click on the icon for the meetings, you will be directed to the page that is linked to the day. So the page for Monday, the meeting page for Monday, February 17, and you have it here. And what happens if you have more meetings throughout a day? That's easy. You duplicate this page and the links will still work. In order to duplicate the page in GoodNotes, you go to thumbnails, these 4 icons, 4 rectangles on top left of the screen. And then once you're in the thumbnails section, your page is already highlighted with the blue rectangle. What you do is click on this small arrow on the bottom of the page and then just click duplicate. The page will just copy and paste right after the original, and you can actually duplicate this 3 times, 4 times, how many times you need to cover all the meetings through that particular day. Now close. Let's see, Monday you have 1 meeting, the 2nd meeting and the 3rd meeting. Now if you want to go back to the daily planning page, you just click editing mode, you just click this title, and if you want to go back to the weekly planning page to have an overall view of the week, you just click on this back to weekly plan page. Now I will go to my daily planning page, so I'm going to click on Monday, February 17, and here I am back to my daily planning page. Now I might want to capture more information. I might want to capture I might want to do a brainstorming or mind map for the day, so I don't have enough space to do it right here on the page. What I can do is add a notes page immediately after the daily planning page. In order to do so, go ahead, click on this icon here, which is the icon for the templates. And now choose a template that you want to use after the daily planning page. So I would suggest to choose between notes or this one, the pattern, or the dots, or the blank page. So I would do a brainstorming, let's say, and about the product. So I will copy this page. What I did is hit the 3 dots on the top right side of the screen and then hit copy page. Okay, and then I'm going back, so I will need to remember where I came from. I came from today, which is 17. Well, today is not 17, but I came from 17 of February. So I'm going to, the fastest way to go there is go to the calendar and then hit 17. And here I am back on the daily planning page. So what I do, I'm going to hit the plus sign on the top top right side of the navigation, and I'm going to paste image. And that you see here I have before and after. I usually, in this case, I will need it after, so I'll just leave it like that and hit paste page. And there you have it. You have your notes page right after the daily planning page. And now you can add as many notes pages you want. You can duplicate this one just like I showed you, like this. Duplicate, ta-da, it's there, close. And you have 2 notes pages right after your daily planning page. Now, if you want to track your shopping list, because that was one of the questions, go ahead and you can either from the daily page or from the daily page here or from the weekly page here, you can click on the cart icon on the top navigation. Let's do it from here. I'm going to click the cart icon and I'm going to be directed to the page, the weekly page, with a list to capture my my grocery list and other home and personal needs. Again, this page is for weekly only. It's not for on a daily base. So it makes sense from this page to click back to weekly plan and get back to the current weekly view. If you are on the shopping list and you want to go to the current day plan, it's not possible with one click. So you will either have to click on back to weekly plan and then Monday 17, and there you have it, you are here. Or let's go back, or you can go to the calendar and then go to 17th of February, and then you're here again. So that's how it is. I strongly suggest to use the planner with hyperlinks, because the things get much more organized, rather than if you create a notebook and fill in all the templates as you go without any links in between. It will be very much more efficient to have the information organized and connected, rather than when you have to scroll through the information to all the pages you are inserting in a planner without hyperlinks, trying to find a particular thought or a particular meeting or a particular shopping list throughout a year, throughout a week. I don't know. That's my view on how to use the planner. I hope it makes sense. Let me know if you have questions.